Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to delve into the intricate topic of selecting an ideal wife, an essential decision that profoundly influences the fabric of our lives. I believe this discussion will provide valuable insights for all of us. Let's embark on this journey together. Priority. Firstly, it's crucial to consider the geographical aspect. Preferably, the prospective wife should hail from Bin Thuan. Shared roots can foster a deeper understanding and connection between partners, facilitating a smoother journey through life's ups and downs. Height. Moving on to physical attributes, while beauty comes in all forms, a height between 1.60 meters and 1.79 meters is often perceived as ideal by many. This range strikes a balance that is visually appealing and comfortable for most individuals. Physical appearance. Aesthetics play a significant role in initial attraction. Long legs, fair skin, and a charming, cute face are characteristics that tend to captivate the heart and ignite admiration. Personality. Beyond the surface, it's the inner qualities that sustain a relationship. A kind and gentle demeanor, coupled with unwavering loyalty and fidelity, forms the bedrock of a loving partnership. A woman who showers her husband and children with boundless love and affection enriches the family with warmth and harmony. Morality. The moral compass of a potential life partner is of utmost importance. Strong ethics and exemplary behavior not only set a positive example for the family, but also instill values that endure through generations. Emotional intelligence. Emotions are an intrinsic part of human nature. A healthy expression of jealousy and occasional sulking, within reasonable limits, reflects emotional maturity and understanding. Household skills. Practical skills contribute to the smooth functioning of a household. Proficiency in culinary arts, adeptness in maintaining cleanliness, and the discipline to rise early lay the foundation for a well-organized and thriving home environment. Communication. Effective communication forms the cornerstone of any successful relationship. While disagreements are inevitable, it's imperative that conflicts are resolved through verbal discourse, devoid of any physical aggression. Openness and transparency pave the path for mutual understanding and growth. Financial responsibility. Financial harmony is vital for the stability of a family unit. Therefore, it is essential that financial decisions are made jointly and expenditures are managed judiciously. Any financial transactions involving the wife's parental home should be communicated with and approved by the husband, fostering transparency and trust. Conflict resolution. In moments of heated contention, it's essential to establish guidelines for resolution. If a situation escalates to physical confrontation, the wife reserves the right to defend herself within reasonable bounds. Seeking solace with her parents to address grievances is permissible, with the understanding that overnight stays are not permitted, ensuring that familial bonds remain strong. Money management. Lastly, prudent financial management is a skill that cannot be overlooked. The ability to budget, save, and invest wisely ensures a secure future for the family, laying the groundwork for prosperity and peace of mind. In conclusion, while these criteria may appear stringent, they serve as pillars upon which a fulfilling and enduring marital relationship can be built. By adhering to these principles, we pave the way for a harmonious and prosperous family life. Thank you for your attention, and may this discussion inspire thoughtful reflection and meaningful conversations. Have a wonderful day ahead. Please join me in listening to my song, Criteria for Choosing a Wife, which was inspired by our today's topic.
Choosing a wife, a task so grand in this journey, let's understand. Physical traits, they do hold sway, but inner qualities light the way. A height between not too high, not too low, 1.60 to 1.70, our hearts may glow. Long legs, fair skin, and charming face, captivate hearts with their grace. Captivate hearts with their grace. Get deeper still, the qualities we seek: kindness, loyalty, strong and meek, love that flows a boundless stream, enriching lives like a cherished dream. Moral compass, steady and true, guiding us in all we do. Emotions expressed with care and thought, maturity in how they're brought. Practical skills, a household's heart, culinary arts, cleanliness part. Communication, open, clear, resolving conflicts, drawing near. Financial harmony, a crucial bond, decisions made together beyond. Transparency, trust must prevail in prosperity and when times fail. In times of strife, guide mindset, physical aggression aligned to threat. Seeking solace, grievances to mend.